Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is Maternity Services monthly statistics. So what have we got? We've got just under 14 million rows of data over 21 tables going back to April 2015. So an awful lot of detail here. You can see that most of the tables are dimension tables, which help describe the data in the fact tables. Because there's quite a lot of tables, I haven't queried all of them for the purposes of this demo. Ask for a free trial and you can go ahead and query it to your heart's content. So let's have a look at what we have. Measures second set, that's got these currencies and these indicators. So I'll scroll down there so you can have a quick look. That's too much to scroll down actually. Then we've got measures, so you can see the sort of data in there, and again lots of different measures, more than even that. Clinical negligence scheme for trusts, so you can see the data there. So the indicator is just using codes. That's why you'd use those SCD tables to find out what those codes mean. Data quality, so that's very handy. Not a lot of data sets have a data quality bunch of data with it, but that's really useful because if you're querying data going back over a long period of time and there's some outliers, certain months or certain providers have some outliers, you'd probably want to know if it turned out that RBZ had some issue with this data item, for example, and then that might explain why it's an outlier. And I've queried one of the dimension tables because there's too many, as I say. So you've got your codes here and various description stuff there, including how it's constructed. Very detailed, really useful, powerful data set. So, but that's it for the demo. Thanks.